This is a very powerful drill. Um, and the reason why I want to talk about something is that as you're drilling, if you're drilling through a piece of wood that has a nail in it, and this drill bit catches that nail, it'll cause the drill bit to literally come to a stop, and all of this momentum will be transferred right back to the drill handle. And as you're holding it, the drill will twist, and if you're in a position where you don't have much space or movement for your hands, the drill will literally twist and pinch your hand in between the drill and whatever that's in between. And this can cause broken fingers, broken hand, broken wrists even, I've heard of. So just be very aware that when you're drilling, to have a good grip, but also be aware that you don't want too firm of a grip, and also check the material that you're drilling through whenever possible. Remove every nail that you can see, and if there is a potential of hitting a nail, just be very, very aware and very careful. So in this position, I'm just drilling through a straight plate. I know there's no nails in here, and I'll show you how to drill. So we have our X marked for our bolt. We'll make sure that the cord is not going to fall and dangle as the drill is turning, because that can wrap around that and tear the cord out, and then there'll be exposed wires that you can cause potential electrical shock. So make sure that the cord is out of the way. You want to place a firm foot or hand on this. In this case, for me, it's better to place my foot on this. Make sure that I'm not stepping on the cord, but also making sure that it's not dangling in front. And pull the trigger to drill. Try and keep the drill nice and straight. You don't want it on an angle. Try and keep it plumb. Another way, which I'll point out, can be easier. Since I'm just drilling towards sand, you wouldn't want to do this on concrete, because as the drill bit goes through, it'll just go right and hit the concrete and start to damage the tip. But since I have sand below, I can do this, much safer. Drilling through, and now I have my hole drilled, and I'll continue drilling all of my other holes that I need. And that's the safety and use of the drill.